the third and fourth song was actually a question song. Kodwa wena wangiza khona nakunika khona yakho engizoba kuphi lokisindisa izandla zakho zingiphathile fika lapha. And the next two songs were actually questions. I remember I just had a beautiful day at work, and you know, when you finish working, you feel like comfort food. I was feeling hungry, something. So I decided just to take a walk, and something hit me, you know, while walking, just like a praise break, you know, two questions. Gubani ofana nawe, Jehovah? Where would I be, Lord, if it wasn't for you? And I remember it was daylight, almost, you know, sunset. It was not dark, but it was, you know, still late afternoon. And I knelt down, you know, in the middle of the road, street. Whoever saw me must have thought, okay, what's going on? Which I didn't care. And for me, I remember just falling down with tears in my eyes, not of pain, not of anything, but to say, Lord, I'm alive and I'm grateful, and many didn't make it, and here I am. And when I came back, you know, in the same theme, I wanted to write songs about asking God questions about where would I be, simple questions. And those two songs are that. And the Ubani Ofana Nawe Jehovah, I pictured it with the dance challenges, because Mapiano is a movement culture. And